The ultimate partners worked together to provide a comprehensive datasets based on synthetic environments that replicated various industrial use cases. These environments were designed to simulate and evaluate human behavior during interactions with industrial robots. On these mock-ups, we can see the critical gestures and potentially hazardous situations identified by our industrial partners. When workers are either too close to the robot, or they are bending, or event-checking their mobile phone, they are insufficiently focused. In these situations, across different work scenarios, simulation helps understanding how robot may ensure the security of the human worker. One specific example involved the assembly of product parts contained within a basket, where all necessary components were presented for the worker to assemble. LE.IA then integrated real human movement data into the simulation scenes to create realistic scenarios captured from 3 camera angles. This setup enabled precise estimation of part assembly processes, including detailed tracking of human gestures and activities relative to the robot's position. The synthetic environments and generated datasets provide a reproducible framework to thoroughly test and enhance the robustness of dangerous situation detection through advanced hybrid AI algorithms, aimed at improving safety and efficiency in human-robot collaboration.